What is up, NJ gang? It's your girl Naya J, and I'm back again with another video today. So you guys, I'm gonna be giving y'all a hotel room tour, but first let me get on this slide. My stuff is like literally everywhere, so I'm gonna be giving you guys a hotel tour or whatever. But first, let me go get my groceries because they just dropped them off. So I'm gonna set the camera up right here. Okay, y'all, so when y'all walk in, this is the door out, and I'm in a conjoined room. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. Okay, so you turn to the right, and this is my bathroom. I have all of my like personal products there. This is the bag where my dirty clothes go. Shower. This is a really good sized bathroom, I think. I don't really know. This is me. So when you walk out, you guys, this right here is actually a closet. So I already have like some stuff in here, but not a lot. And I have 2 beds, y'all. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, and that's it really. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all, but when I open my window, this is all that I see, y'all. Watch this. I thought I was gonna come over here and see some beautiful, magnificent, see some of Connecticut, but no. This is literally what I see. Y'all, I was so irritated when I looked at my window and seen that. Because, like, why? Just why? Why I don't have a view in my room? Like, that's mad annoying. Why I don't have a view in my room so I can see something? You know, I can't see anything. There's nothing going on. But that's all for right now. I might vlog a little. I don't know. I got invited to go bowling. One of the boys that I was in Pennsylvania with, he's out here and it's his birthday. Or whatever. So they're going to drunk bowling. So I might go, I might not. I don't really know. I don't really know what I want to do yet. I might go, I might not. But what I do know is I'm about to write in my journal. I'm about to do some writing. I'm probably finna chill. Probably finna chill or do something else. I don't know, but this is gonna be more to this video, y'all. I'm gonna try to get some footage. I may go just so I can get some footage and, you know, have a good time. This is my first day, really first whole day out here. So, and I got invited, so I don't want to be rude and then, you know, turn down an invite. So I might still go and I might not. I don't. It depends on how. I just brought regular clothes. It depends on what I don't know. I don't got no clothes, y'all. So I don't know. I may go, I may not. The world will never know. I don't know. You will know. I'll know when it gets 5 o'clock. Because I think they're leaving at 5. No, 4:30. 4:30 I will know for sure. So I'm probably just finna chill in my room. And just, I don't know, maybe take a nap because I'm a little tired. I am a little tired because I got to the hotel at like 6 and then we had a meeting up until like 8. So, and then I had to be to work at 6 a.m. in the morning. So I may take a nap and then get up. So maybe I'm just tired. Maybe that's why I feel like I don't want to go. But I'm going to take a nap, y'all. So I'll be back to close out this video. You will know if I'm going or not. So peace. Anyways, y'all, I am at my friend room, y'all. His room look 100% better than mine. They got a kitchen and everything is really nice in here. I wish I could have got my room changed. Oh, this lighting is so pretty. Kendra, introduce yourself.
Oh, what's good, everybody?
Y'all, it's his birthday today.
Birthday boy.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Kendrick Williams. I'm from H-Town, you know what I'm saying? Woo. Shout out to the Cougars. Yeah, I'm 29, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all can show my girl some love on her YouTube page.
Period, because I don't be getting no views like that.
No views, but hey, told her to be patient. Patience go a long way.
That's right. That is right. Period, y'all. We finna have fun tonight. We finna drink and bowl. So I already know it's finna be the vibe. It's finna be a vibe. I'm finna catch all the vibes. Everybody that come, hopefully I don't be shy. Because I might be shy. But hopefully I can get everybody. Everybody seems cool from what I've seen so far. So hopefully I won't be shy and I can get some footage. So.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Hey, don't slow down. Go fast. Hey, don't slow down. Go fast. Go fast.
Wait, back up some. Wait.
Back up. This shit fast up, man. Go fast. Just go real fast. Go, man.
What they talking about? What they talking about?
Everybody introduce themselves.
Who winning, y'all? Who winning?
You say introduce yourself, bro. Ice. Nolan, man. Introduce yourself. That's Nolan, y'all. Introduce yourself, man.
You heard me, they call me greedy, real pussy monster.
Yeah. Ladies, introduce yourself.
I'm Lola.
Yes.
I'm Mallory.
Yes.
Cash and money.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Birthday boy.
Introduce yourself, bro. What's your name?
Hey, man, you already know what
Okay.
going on here. Big Carolina 225.
Introduce yourself, bro. Who's that,
A
Jerry?
lot of money.
Introduce yourself, my G.
What's up, man? This your boy, Jerry, a.k.a. BJ, you feel me? Big 8-time shit, 6-time shit, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man.
Talk to him.
Y'all get at your boy, man. I'm out here. Instagram, a real man 92. Y'all get at me, bro, for real.
Fuck with him. And everybody else eating. Introduce yourself.
Yo, hey, make sure you get the jury.
Make sure you get the jury now. You know what I'm saying?
What's your name?
DJ.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Feel me?
You big, bro.
I'm at the fuck they food up.
Straight up. Straight like that. Straight like that, man.
Get ice, bro. I got all that. Hey, yo, it's your boy Mike, a.k.a. Do It All Mike.
Birthday boy.
You got an Insta?
Yeah, Do It All Mike 10. Hey, get the jury, son. Hey, look, I'm the birthday boy, man. Look, I appreciate everybody coming out. Birthday boy, everybody coming out. Everybody. I love everybody.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta get ice, bro. Get ice.
I got it.
Ice.
I got ice.
You got ice?
Yeah, I got him. I get one more time.
Ice.
You introduce yourself.
Keith, cameraman. You know what I'm saying? H-Town shit.
Thank you. Big what?
Big ice, not the little one.
Period.
All right, you guys, that's the end of my vlog. I had such an amazing time. Shout out to Kendrick. Shout out to you. I wanted to say happy 29th birthday. I hope you had an amazing time as I did. I hope you have fun tomorrow on your day off. I gotta work, but I really enjoy your company. Everybody, I enjoy everybody's energy. Everybody had good energy, and I had a great time, you guys. But sadly to say, I am tired. I done had a drink, and I'm ready to go to sleep, y'all. I had such a good time, but Stay tuned for the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Comment, like, and subscribe for more videos, you guys, because I have more to come. Thank you. Good night.